Welcome. If you want to change gesture sensitivity in your Samsung Galaxy A52s, at first you have to go for the settings, find display. Next you have to scroll down and you have to go for the navigation bar right here. Then go for the swipe gestures, click on the more options, and here we can increase or decrease gesture sensitivity. As you can see on the both edges we got that blue highlight, and it shows us how we change the settings basically. So if you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.